All right. What's up, y'all? Let me zoom that in. So, what are we doing today? Great question. So I have a interview on Monday for a part-time job for fall quarter. So what I should be doing is probably lead code prep. But they said it's not explicitly going to be lead code style. But they also didn't tell me the style. So I'm going to do at least one lead code. And then I'm kind of just going to do, I want to see if I can get, I don't know if I have Rust set up. I just don't think I do. Like cargo. Okay, maybe I do have it installed. But I want to install, I'll turn on this light. I want to get some basic Rust stuff up because I want to start working on this project, which is like 2 microcontrollers. I want to be able to like press a button on this, light up a button on this. You know? That's the goal for the next one. So, I don't think I'm going to get to that tonight because, to be honest, I'm tired. And end of the week and whatnot, whatever excuse I need to tell myself. What's up, John? So yeah, gonna look into that. And if anyone's asking why Rust, because that's what my solar project is in. So let's do one of these. Maybe a tree problem. Didn't I already do this? No? Okay. Do that one and then maybe another one. Maybe, kind of forget what level order is, but we'll figure it out. Trees, baby. Horsemen. Alright. Given a binary tree, return true if the height is balanced and false. Otherwise, a height balanced tree is defined as a binary tree in which the left and the right subtract of every node differ in height by no more than 1. Okay. So it's not just like DFS on the left and the right getting like the length. And then if one's bigger, is that it? I don't know. That like is what my brain jumps to, and of course I fucked that up already. Okay, if not node, then we're gonna return true. And no, we need to return a number. We need to return 0. What are we returning here, actually? Because, like, I think we want the heights. Because, like, this is fine, because then it's, like, 1 compared to 2. But we need to be doing that on, like, sub-1s as well, like, here and there. Maybe I return 2 things. Do I return 2 things? Why am I such an idiot? this initialization even remotely right, actually? I don't think it matters because it's getting reassigned. But like, what are we returning here at the end? Like, I want to just check if they're greater or like if they're different, you know? But I don't know if that's, I mean, I know that's not right because I need an integer at least for like this to propagate. Maybe like the difference between them? That's stupid? I think that's stupid. This is just like... Is it just BFS instead? Am I an idiot? Am I? No. No. Just fucking do what I thought I was gonna do. Do something like this. Where we would like keep track. Right? I think it's something like this. So we're like checking if it's balanced and then also the depth. But then what the fuck do we return? Like, so like, so we need our left to be balanced and we need our right to be balanced and we need the difference to be less than 1 or less than 2, less than or equal to 1, something like this. Something like that, and then like 1 plus the max of them. Like this. Because balance if both of them are balanced and the height difference is so equal to 1. Okay, I think so. Nice. Makes sense. Ah, level order traversal. My favorite. Given a binary tree root. Subcommando. Return the level order traversal of it as a nested list, where each sublist contains the values of the nodes at a particular level. Okay. So this is just... Is it BFS? We're trying to code. We're just going through some lead code problems. Yeah, it has to be BFS. Now the question is, do I remember how to BFS? Oh, brother. So I remember we need a deck. Something like this. Which starts with the root, I think. Yeah? While Q. Cur equals this, and then something like this. Something like that. Maybe take it initially. That's nice, keep up the work. Trying to get into coding again. Yeah. See, coding, it's in an interesting spot right now, for sure. I think that's the best way I can describe it. So like, okay, so we have some Q. And that's gonna have like, for example, these values. And then we want to add these values to cur and then add them to the, okay, yeah. Something like cur.append node.val. And then something like if node.left, q dot, what the fuck is this, append? Node equals q dot pop, q dot append, node dot left, and similarly for right. And then at the end of this, res.append cur. Maybe? How long have you been doing TCS? My senior year of high school. So, how long has that been? 2.5 years? 3 years? But also my senior year, I didn't do anything. So I'd say 2 years. I think I'd be happy with that as a definition. Okay, well, I'm wrong, cool. $3.7. Why? That seems egregiously wrong. We have 2 and 3. I actually don't know why this is wrong. Off first glance, I'm actually going to take quite a bit of a look-see. Just graduated high school. I'm starting college in a few weeks. Yeah. It's tough in the summer. It's tough to lock in. Like, why the fuck am I getting 3 and 7? Should this be a pop left? How am I ever getting a node that's not real? It could be 0. Okay. I just had to remember it was pop left. Bang! I'm actually quite proud of that one. Yeah, I got it pretty much exactly. Cool. Yeah. I just needed to do this. I mean, like, iteratively, I know it's fine because we're checking before appending, but it was the first one. I just thought I didn't read the requirements, so I thought it was like, it could always have the root. Okay, last thing I want to do is very quickly, just like hello world in Rust, and then we'll get more into that tomorrow. Okay. So, do I have a solar? What's in here? Nothing? Okay. So, something like main.rs. Is it rs? Is that? Yeah, it is rs. Okay, so what is it? Something like, is it fn? Yeah, fn main. Println bang. Is it that syntax? Yeah. Hello world. That's not what I wanted. I wanted that. So then rust c main. Okay, and then /main. Is that fine? Okay. So I do have everything set up for that. Cool. Yeah, comments are pretty basic. I wonder if I could, what was it? nr-util, something like this. Oh no, what the fuck, what am I thinking of? It's a different library. It's the Rust library for Zephyr. Something like this, yeah. I just want to see if there's like a base thing I can start. Doesn't look like I can see anything. Alright, I'll try to just figure this out tomorrow. Or at least I'll try to. Alright guys, quick stream today. Very sorry, but I don't know, it's Friday. I want to go enjoy my night for a little bit. A little bit of stats. I applied to 3 jobs today. Did 4 lead code problems. Tomorrow will be a lot more grind. Once again, like I said, interview on Monday. So we'll see. Hopefully things will go well. If not, all good. We'll keep moving forward. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your night. If anyone is new here, let me be a sellout for a second. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I don't know. Join the Discord. That could be cool. Connect with me on LinkedIn. I love connecting with you guys. So should be like a LinkedIn message. I'll say hi. Have a great rest of your night. I will see you tomorrow for a longer stream for some embedded stuff. If you want to watch me struggle and not know what the fuck I'm doing, that'll be fun. Yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your Friday.